Hi, today we will see how to manage the activation required for change email in user settings for Loveria. Go to Admin Panel. Open the settings from side menu bar. Select the user setting from the settings drop-down. For the activation required to change the email setting, click on Yes Radio button. Update the setting. Now go to the Profile drop-down and select Change Email menu. Change your email and update your email. Check your email and click on the Activate New Email link. Your new email address has been updated. If the No option is selected in Active Email setting, then user can change email without activation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the button and turn on the notification bell. See you soon.